Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni. Here's a silent truth. Most people don't fail financially because of lack of money. They fail because they don't know their financial role. Are you a builder, a preserver, a scaler, an owner? If your role is unclear, money becomes confused. Today I introduce a brand new framework, the financial role, ownership, TM. This explains why wealth grows when you own your financial role. Section 1. What is a financial role? A financial role is the primary function you play with money at a given stage. Earning, stabilizing, building, scaling. Preserving wealth grows when roles are clear and followed. Section 2. Why most people struggle financially. Most people try to do everything at once, invest and spend without clarity scale before stabilizing preserve, before building copy others in different stages. Role confusion causes financial mistakes. Medium White Star Section 3. The Financial Role Ownership Model. Financial role ownership has 5 roles, played one at a time. Role 1. The earner focuses on income growth, skill development, career, or business expansion, no wealth without earning. Shield # Role 2. The stabilizer builds buffers, controls expenses, creates predictability. Stability comes before growth. Role 3. The builder converts income to assets, invests intentionally, builds systems. This is where wealth begins. Rocket Role 4. The scaler expands assets, increases leverage, multiplies systems. Scaling without foundation is dangerous. Classical Building # Role 5. The preserver protects wealth, manages risk, plans legacy. Preservation comes last, not first. Medium White Star Section 4. How to own your current role. Keycap 1. Identify your current financial stage. Keycap 2. Choose one dominant role. Keycap 3. Say no to other roles temporarily. Keycap 4. Align actions with role duties. Keycap 5. Review role quarterly. Role clarity removes confusion. Medium White Star Section 5. Signs you're in the right role. White have a checkmark. Clearer decisions. White have a checkmark. Fewer mistakes. White have a checkmark. Faster progress. White have a checkmark. Reduce stress. White have a checkmark. Confident. Money moves bullseye. Conclusion. Money does not reward multitasking. Fire it rewards role clarity. Own your position with the financial role ownership, and wealth will finally respond.